FHA SFR Appraising Handbook 4000.1, page 136. Field, property address. Protocol. It must conform to the mailing standards of the United States Postal Service, Publication 28, Postal Addressing Standards. The following address elements must be included in this field. Street number, street name, including applicable, pre-directional indicator, suffix, and/or post-directional indicator. Address unit, designator, and number, if applicable. This data is referenced more than once on the form and must be represented consistently. If the property's legal location is different from the property's mailing address, for instance, the property is located in a different municipality or in an unincorporated area, explain this in the appraisal report. Field, borrower. Protocol. Enter the name of the borrower. Field, owner of public record. Protocol. Mark the appropriate box indicating whether the seller is the owner of public record. The appraiser is instructed to contact the mortgagee/client if the seller is someone other than the owner of record, as the property may not be eligible for FHA financing if it involves property flipping, resale in less than 90 days. The mortgagee will make a determination for any exceptions to FHA's property flipping rule and advise the appraiser. Report where the information was obtained. Field, county. Protocol. Enter the name of the county in which the property is located. It further provides locational parameters. If not applicable, enter NA. Field, legal description. Protocol. Enter the legal description of the property. The four types of legal descriptions are lot and block system, geodetic survey, government survey system, and meets and bounds description. If the space provided is insufficient, enter this information with the legal description in the additional comment section of the form or attach this information as an addendum. Field, assessor's parcel number. Protocol. Enter the parcel number assigned by the local tax assessor. For those areas that do not have an assessor's parcel number, enter the tax identification number. Field, tax year. Protocol. Enter the current tax year used by the locale, for instance, the fiscal year or the actual year. Page 137. Field, RE, taxes. Protocol. Enter the dollar amount of the annual real estate taxes, including all relevant taxes, school district tax, fire district tax, etc. Manufactured housing must be taxed as real estate to be eligible for Title II FHA insurance. Field, neighborhood name. Protocol. Enter the name of the subdivision, if applicable, or the commonly known locale neighborhood designation. If the subject property is in a PUD or manufactured housing park, provide the name of the development. Field, map reference. Protocol. Enter the locational map reference, page number, and coordinates from the source used. This reference must relate to the location maps most commonly used in the locale. Census tract. Protocol. Enter the census tract number. The census tract number must be provided. Census tract numbers have 4 digits and may have a 2-digit decimal suffix. Where the basic census tract number is less than 4 digits, the Census Bureau includes leading zeros except when displaying numbers on maps or printed reports. To uniquely identify a census tract, a 2-digit state code, a 3-digit county code precede the 4 or 6-digit census tract number. The Census Bureau has an internet resource guide for locating census information. It can be found at www.census.gov. Occupant, field, protocol. Mark the box signifying the occupancy status at the time of the appraisal. If vacant, the appraiser must know in the improvement section under condition of the property whether the utilities were on or off at the time of the appraisal. With the exception of HUD REO properties, if the utilities were not turned on, condition the appraisal on a satisfactory reinspection and state the utility was off at the time of the appraisal and include an extraordinary assumption that the mechanical equipment does not require alteration, repair, or further inspection once the utilities are restored. Field, special assessments. Protocol, report the dollar amount of special assessments for the subject property, if any, and provide a brief explanation for the assessment. Special assessments can include municipal bond debt for off-site improvements. Larger than typical special assessments may affect marketability. If not applicable, enter NA. Field, PUD, protocol. Enter, check the box if the house is located in a PUD.